In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Circle. So to Hotmart purchases seamlessly. If you're looking to automate your workflow and enhance your digital community experience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Circle.so admin account. Simply head over to Circle.so and log in using your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the settings. Here, you select integrations and then webhooks, use Zapier. Now you'll see an option to copy the webhook URL. This URL is crucial as it will be used to establish a connection with Hotmart, enabling automated communications between the two platforms. Next, let's switch over to your Hotmart account. Log into Hotmart and access your dashboard. Once there, you'll go to the products section. Choose the product you want to integrate with Circle. So within that product page, find and select integrations, then webhooks. You're now ready to link this with Circle.so. In this webhook section, you need to click on Add webhook. Paste the Circle.so webhook URL that you copied earlier. After pasting, you'll be prompted to choose specific event triggers. These triggers could be a purchase-approved notification or perhaps a subscription-activated update. It's essential to pick the events that are most pertinent to your community or business needs. Once you have set these trigger events, make sure to save all the changes. By doing this, you're ensuring that Hotmart will automatically notify Circle of any purchase activities relevant to those triggers. This linkage is a powerful tool for maintaining real-time updates between these platforms. Let's return to Circle. So for a moment, within your spaces on Circle, locate the specific space you want to link with Hotmart. Click Spaces in your Circle. So dashboard and select the space of your choice. Now navigate to settings, then access, and from there proceed to paid plan membership. Here you can assign the plan that you've linked to Hotmart. Don't skip this important step and be sure to save your settings once you've configured everything. Finally, it's time to ensure everything is working correctly. We need to run a test, head back to your Hotmart dashboard, and perform a test purchase. This will allow you to verify that the connection is successful. Ideally, a purchase should result in the user being automatically added to your designated Circle.so space. And there you have it. With this setup complete, you've now aligned your Hotmart and Circle.so accounts, allowing for automatic updates and a smoother user experience within your community. I hope this guide was helpful for your integration needs. If you have any further questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy integration.